Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the computer system. That is your first chapter. So here we go. What is computer system? A computer has many parts. All the parts of the computer together make the computer system. As you seen in the picture, there is a computer system which includes all the essential parts of the computer, that is mouse, keyboard, monitor and CPU. Next, components of computer. First is hardware. Hardware is the part of computer which you can see or touch. For example, monitor, keyboard, mouse and the part inside the CPU box. These parts you can easily see and touch. Software. Software is that part of the computer which makes the hardware work. Software cannot be touched. For example, Windows, Paint, Microsoft Word, logo, etc. All these are software or programs. We work on it but we cannot touch them. Next is input devices. Input devices are those devices that are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. The most usual input devices are keyboard and mouse. Here you can see the picture of the joystick. What is joystick? It is a pointing device which is used to play games on the computer. A joystick has many buttons which can be used to give input to the computer. Then you will see the microphone over here. It records the voice, music and sound into the computer. Its its another name is mic. The last one is touch screen. This touch screen One is touch screen. Touch screen like tablet computer and smartphones have touch screen which act both as input and output device. The next is processing devices. The central processing unit, that is CPU, processes the input given by the input device. It actually executes the instructions. Whatever is typed through the keyboard or with mouse goes to the CPU. CPU processes and send the result on monitor. You can see the picture of the CPU in the screen. In the extra point is AMD and IBM are some well-known manufacturers of processor. Next is output devices. The devices on which the output is produced after processing is called output devices. First is monitor. It looks like a TV as you seen in the picture. It is also known as the VDU, visual display unit. The output that we see on the monitor screen is called soft copy of the picture. Then printer. The printer helps us to take output on the sheet or paper. This printed paper is called hard copy of the document. Next is speaker. Speaker give the output in the form of music or sound which is listen in your computer. Next is projector. The projector is usually you can see projector in your classrooms. So the projector shows the output on very large screen so that many people can see at the same time. The next is storage devices. The computer uses data and software, so the computer needs devices to store data and software. For this, the computer uses storage devices or memory devices. So here are some examples of storage devices. First is hard disk. The hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box, is store the huge amount of information. The next is CD or DVD. CD, that is compact disc that can store information such as document, image, music or sound. DVD, that is digital versatile disc. It is like CD but it can store much more information than CD. Last is pen drive. A pen drive is very small object but it can store a lot of information. It is very useful in moving data from one computer to another. So that all of this chapter, hope you will understand.